Right or left? Do you like it? Cake, straw.
Hey guys! I'm Allison. And I'm Emily. I'm Catherine.
And Lenis.
And today we're going to be doing the no talking shopping challenge. So we are going to be going to the mall and we can't talk, but we have to ask our mom for stuff.
And if we talk, we aren't allowed to buy anything.
So the thing is, we just can't talk, and if we do talk, then we're out of the challenge and can't get anything.
She did that challenge already with Kaylee from the Kaylee and Kendra Adventure. So you're gonna check that video. It's gonna be linked in the description, and we love it. And I said, do you wanna do it too? Yes. And they say yes. So you can check that video and stay tuned for this one, and you can see how I'm gonna understand everything that they're gonna be asking for.
How you win is if my mom gets the items that you wanted.
I have to guess.
Yeah, like the stores.
Are you ready?
Yes. My mom's allowed
I'm
to
not.
No talking in 3, 2,
Oh my
1.
God! I'm gonna feel so lonely.
So before we get on to video, the shout that goes to,
And all social media to be on screen, not only in the description.
but
As well, and KATHERYN Balboa channel is gonna be linked in the description.
okay, so I have a question.
Yeah, you can have all the questions now, because when I say start.
So let's get on with the video. We're gonna
No talking in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, now I'm gonna be alone here? Oh, that's not funny. I don't like the idea of be talking by myself all day long.
Hello? Can someone talk with me?
No, that's the idea, not talking, but that's so boring. That's it? Where are we going? Huh? Well, okay, where are we going? To walk? For a walk? What? Oh, let's gonna go for a walk. Shoes? Running shoes? Okay. Catherine, you cannot talk. What, Catherine? I cannot see you. A custom? I know that's too sunny. Walk inside a roof. Techo. Roof. To the right. Outside. Okay, outside. Close that, please. Outside clothes. Outside mall. Okay, if you wanna go shopping in outside mall, which one? The only one that we have? Emily, what? Drink? What? Let me put the address then. No, one moment, I have to put the address, sorry. And today is January 1st. Maybe they're closed. Well, if you say so. Okay. Drink. Dancing drink. Un vaso, a glass. With whipped cream. Whipped cream. McDonald's. A Starbucks. Not right now. When we get here, I have to think about it. Yes. You cannot write it. Huh? Yo, me. Stop. Finish. What is that? Se acabó. It's done. Dead? Me? What is that? I don't get it. De verdad, I don't know. Me can't talk. See? I can see. I can talk. Eat. Talk. I don't get it. I can say no. I can say no. That's not a challenge. Excuse me. Can I talk for a minute? The challenge is not mom can say no with no talking daughters. The challenge is not talking chopping challenge. So I can say no if I want to say no. No fair? It is fair. It is fair. And we are hoping that they are closed. Oh, no. We are hoping that they're open because maybe they are closed. Vamos para otro. Let's go to another one. All the places are closed today. Well, we're gonna see you there because I have to drive, okay? Let's gonna see you later because I have to drive like 10 minutes. Taco Bell? No. No. Nada. No. I'm sorry for you guys. It's not the mom can say no. If you want that challenge, mom can say no with no talking kid, like this video, but this is not a challenge. I can say no if I want to say no. So right now, food, no, kaput, no anymore, until I'm hungry. When I'm hungry, you're gonna eat. I don't care. If I'm not hungry, you won't eat. Don't touch me like that anymore. No. If I'm full all day, you're gonna be full all day. Sorry guys. We are here at the mall. They cannot talk. Where are you gonna go? Drink? I said no drink right now. Choose? Okay, we can buy choose but not drink. Walk. ¿Qué es eso? What is that? Oh, you wanna see? Choose. I know that already. Choose. Nike? Adidas. Oh my gosh, you want Nike, Adidas? Nike? Ah, Kathy. Okay, let's go. Huh? Right or left? Okay.
Chiquitos, small. Oh, mira, glove, Emily.
Tiny? Because that's the baby.
Let's go this way.
$19? Okay, that's cute. That's your size? No, that's gonna be tight on you. That's like a dress. Oh, Emily, here, for you. Try it on. Try it on. Small, extra large, large. That one. That's cute, huh? You like it? Oh, Emily, that's cute. You like that one? No? Do you want to see yourself? Do you like it? What? Package? Money? Feel it? Oh, yeah. Let's gonna buy that one for Kentucky. You like that one? Yes? It's soft? You wanna try it on? Take it. What size is that? Medium? That's so small? Okay, take large. You like that one? Oh, that one is cute, Emily. The gray with the pink heart. Katheryn, do you want one? Why? You don't like it? Okay, Emily. She said, "Ay, oh." Gray? Oh, gray for the gray one, okay. And you need, what color do you want for this one? For this one, you can have dark blue, black. No, Emily, dark blue. Mira, you can match with this too. You like it? You want one? You like that one? For this? Okay. Grab your side. Huh? Take one. Yeah, that's cute. Take a large for her. That one too. Emily, you have to try it on. Do you want a pink one? Yeah, take a pink one just in case. Take a pink one, Allison, for her. Yeah, that one. That's not your size. Yeah, but that's not large. Huh? Okay, Emily, we can see in another store. Go. Emily, look at that one. Oh, Emily, look how comfortable. Katheryn, do you want one? Take one. Oh my God, Katheryn, she doesn't want anything. Oh, okay, okay. No, not your size? Not your size? Oh, that's cute, Emily. Huh? Extra large? Yeah, but that's kid size. I like that one, Emily. I like that one. Okay. Go and try those. Bye. Do you want me to go with you? Okay. Which one do you want to try first? Oh, do you like it? Let me see. Oh. You like it? Comfortable? Cozy? Let me see you in the mirror. Oh. What happened with your feet? Your nail? Be careful. No, wait until we get home. Okay. Fair outfit, 10 out of 10. Of 20. 10. In total, out of 10. Okay. That's the second. Do you like it? Are you gonna try the other two? They are the same? It's the same size? So you don't have to try them. You like it? 10? Love it. Okay, out of 10.
Oh.
Let's go. She loves it. All of them. Living with a lot of clothes for Kentucky, huh? No hat, no glove? No, we're gonna go to another store to see if we can find it. Oh. You like it? You like that one? They're too big for you. No, you have to find your size. You have to find your size. I don't like the color. You like that? You like those? Okay. Where are we going? Drink? Where? Where? I know, drink. Where? Money? A Starbucks. Oh, okay. Where we have to go? You want love. What is that? Love. What? Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. ¿Viste qué linda? Drink, I don't know. Look. Huh? He's big. Love. Donut. How do you say that? Bagel. I don't know. I don't get it. You? Love. You big. I don't know what is that huge sign. Love. Always want something to drink. Okay. What? Oh, we have to see the shoes. Let's go. What? You don't want to go? You want something to drink? You hungry? You always hungry. So don't worry. Be happy. Now? Find some shoes, dale. Oh, look, I like. Dale, Emily. These ones. Yes, you have to try it on right now. One. She's not one anymore. You don't like those? Right now. Right now. Go. Find shoes. Look, you are with Katheryn shoes. You don't have any shoes. Let's go. Look. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Okay. But not that color. Something gray because you like that one? Okay. Yeah, it's like yours. That's your size? What size is that? Let me see. How much is that? 40? 80? 4? 44. Can I see how they look on you? Do you want something, Katheryn? Oh my. You have a lot? Oh, okay. You like those? Her feet are big? Gordo? Fat? That's big, Emily. Huh? Weight? That's big. What size is that? That's too big. Can you tell? That's too big, Emily. You need size 3. I don't think they have size 3. Oh, that's cute. Try those, Emily. Give it to her. Try it on. Do you like it? It's good? What flavor, Katheryn? You cannot try. Strawberry. Cake. Straw. Soplar. Cake soplar. 12. You want that for your birthday? I don't get it. Well, when you can talk, you can tell me. Are you still hungry? They didn't have any bagel at Starbucks, so she's hungry. Where you gonna go, Emily? Where? You don't know? Wherever I want? Over there? Oh, Auntie Nanny. You like it? It's hot? No seat for you? It has been a great experience. Look at it. Not talking for a day with these 3 girls. Are you done? With what? With the challenge or with the shopping? None? Katheryn break the rule every 2 seconds. She's Try it on. Buy one, get one free. You wanna go home? What? Why we are here? Because of ALISSON. Oh, that's cute. You wanna see yourself? Comment down below if you like Katheryn hat. That's huge. You like that one, Katheryn? That's cute. That's perfect for you. Oh, it's cute, Katheryn. Do you like it? Thank you. Go, toma. We are going home finally. You, me, and you, and her. What? Thank you. We are 3 together. We love together. Thank you. Ah, okay. You're welcome.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
They cannot talk. It's hot. You gonna do the haul? When you get home or now? Now?
You can see that's from Rack and Rap and Shoes. That kind of like it.
I don't know. In this part, we're done with the shopping. So finally, they're ready to talk. 1, 2, 3, talk!
Yay!
Hey!
I can't see myself.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay, the first store we went to was Gap.
They can't see you back there. I know, why can't they see you?
So the first store we went to was Gap. I got a bunch of clothes. Other people got clothes.
I didn't get anything. Me and Catherine didn't get anything.
So the first thing was this big fluffy jacket because me, Allison, Catherine are going to Kentucky. So it's gonna be cold there. I need to get long sleeve things. So I got this jacket. My mom got this jacket that's also fluffy in the hoodie.
It's like an army green color.
Gray and pink sweatpants. We aren't driving, so it's fine. Gray and pink sweater that has hearts on it. I got some dark blue and pink sweatpants. Navy blue.
Oh, you ended up getting it?
Yeah.
Rainbow sweater.
Pink sweatpants. Another jacket. It's white. It says Gap on it, and it's also fluffy in the hoodie, and it's very soft inside.
Then we went to Wilson's Leather. Allison got a scarf. Allison and Emily got gloves.
These Adidas sandals that are blue.
Well, I'm just gonna show you what I got while she does that. I got these ones. I have the white ones of these, but I just got a black pair.
And then I got the pink and black.
So I just got these Fila slide-on shoes, and they're just a Fila colors. And then my mom got some shoes from Steve Madden.
Oh, me and Catherine, this is the last store we went to. Me and Catherine both got something here.
You did? I thought Mom got something. I got this like pink jacket, and it, well, yeah, it's like this big jacket for Kentucky, and then it has like fur for the hood, and
Yeah, it has a lot of pockets.
yeah.
I also got the same thing, but in like army green.
I did not know she got that. And then hers is like soft inside.
Inside,
And mine
Catherine's
is
just, yeah.
regular.
And we also got Starbucks and Auntie Anne's.
So bye guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below if you guys want a part 2 to this video and what should we do.
But the part 2 will be Mom Can't Say No.
Oh, Mom can say no with no talking kids.
Kids.
So see you guys next time. Bye. Peace.